Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop the Microsoft Teams from running in the background, how to unpin it from the taskbar, and finally, if you are not using the Microsoft Teams in Windows 11, how you can uninstall it. So without wasting any of time, let's begin the process from this step 1. So by default here you can see that I have already disabled the Microsoft Teams from the taskbar. Even though let me just right click here and then click taskbar settings. So the moment here is the option, you can turn on or off the Microsoft Teams from here. So with the Windows 11, Microsoft has done some, I don't know, you may call it a bit, Microsoft is a bit forcing their products on you to use them. So basically, if you right click on it, you can't see any options of unpin or any other stuff at all. So basically, they are all now located within the taskbar. So if you want to remove it from the taskbar, just tap here. Now it is gone. There's also this option, which is basically most of the time it will be appear here, but for the moment I have attach it here. You can also remove it, or yep, from here taskbar corner overflow, just click here and then you will see that Microsoft Teams has been pinned down there. So if I have to turn that off, you will see that right now it is located there. Now if you want to quit it, just simply right click and then choose quit. Now still it is running in the background, and that is not really cool. So here is how you can stop the Microsoft Teams from running in the background. Just right click on the start menu and then click settings. After that one, I'm going to make it full screen. Click on the apps and go to the apps and features, and from here you have to find out the Microsoft Teams. So for now I'm going to search for Teams, and now you can see that I have found it here. Just right click on it and then click on these three options, three dots, which is basically more options, and then click advanced options. Now here you can see that this is all the informations regarding to the application that is installed within the Windows 11. So if you want to close the application from running in the background, you have to click on it and then choose never. So this is going to stop the Microsoft Teams from running in the background. You can also stop these the Microsoft Teams from running at the login. Basically that's the startup. You can just turn that off and everything has been set up. Okay, now there may be a time that you find out that how you can disable the Microsoft Teams from the startup. The moment when you are powering on your PC, you will see that it is running in the background. Although I have disabled it, still it is running in the background for whatever reason. I don't know, there may be a bug, so Microsoft needs to fix it. So here is how you can do it. Basically there are many methods, but the very mostly common used method is the task manager. Just right click on the taskbar, on the start menu, and then click task manager. After that one, you have to go to the startup. By default it will be showing you like this. Click on more details and then go to the startup, and from here you have to simply choose the Microsoft Teams. Right click on it and choose disable. So you can see that right now I have already disabled this application within the startup, so they should not interfere with the startup stuff. So, and finally, how you can uninstall the application. Just press Windows I on the keyboard, and after that one you have to click on apps and features. Again you have to search for the Microsoft Teams. Basically team is okay. I will scroll down and right click on it, and click on the three dots and then click uninstall. Click uninstall, and now you will see that the Microsoft Teams has been uninstalled from the Windows 11. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.